Hey folks, what's going on today? Here are our pickups of the day. As we could see here, you have Modern Horizons 3 and Bloomburrow starter kit. Thanks to BLU Sports and Cards in Glendale, I picked these up fairly quickly. Starting off with the Modern Horizons packs, these were $7 a piece, so that's 28. And our best pickup is the Bloomburrow starter kit. So this starter kit alone is $20, but this promo by itself is 24. So technically you make $4 back. And if you sell the Brook Long Ears of the Law, that is another $8. Plus the $2 code card, the Mockingbird rare, that's $4. So 12 plus 4, that's 16. The code card is 2, that's 18. So technically you're making your money back just by breaking this apart and selling it. Again, this is probably the best pickup that you could ever find in the wild. Right now in TCG Player, this is actually selling for $42. So it's amazing how much this starter kit has made me some money. Now you can't really find it out in the wild too much, but there are still some sports card stores that do carry it. And I would suggest you picking up right away and selling it right away, breaking it down and selling it for the singles and the content. So yeah, these are the two pickups of the day. Bloomburrow starter kit for $20. You could break it down and sell it for close to $42 technically. And then these Modern Horizons packs, they're just regularly priced, but hopefully I could crack something that's good inside of them. All right, guys, I'll see you guys next time and keep hustling hard.